Good day to drive, especially in this 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Base with black exterior and interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include selectable drive modes, blind spot monitoring, remote keyless entry, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is manual. All-weather mats on the floor with the Bronco Sport badging. Your trunk release and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, just put the keys in. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your FordPass Connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Below, your hazard light, auto start and stop, volume tuner, and media controls. A little bit of room for storage underneath. Your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. Room for storage with a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports. Your gear shift dial, 2 cup holders, electronic parking brake, auto hold to hold if you're towing, for example. Your GO modes, which means goes over any terrain, to switch your driving modes depending on the road and weather conditions. Console with storage below, USB and USB-C charging ports, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, gray door handles, sun visors, roof rails, coupley seats if you fit on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the Bronco Sport badging. Flip-up glass with a handle. To open your lift gate, just press the button on the right side below. The one on the left side will be for your flip-up glass. And put it up. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners. Lighting to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo area, and a 12-volt outlet. When you're done, grab the handle above you on the right or left side, push it down and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just press the tab and fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area. Anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. All-weather mats on the floor, USB and USB-C charging ports, your dome light, hooks and handle. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, roof rails, sun visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.